Ọ̀dádá tó dá afẹ́fẹ́, Ọlọ́run tó dá omi, olùdáńdá ọba mi ọ̀kàkà gbéra rẹ̀ níjà.
Hello all, my name is Olumayowa Olóhùnyọ̀, your favorite chanter, your favorite singer, and your favorite girl. And today I basically want to talk about the things that I did to overcome stage fright. So I want to tag today's talk, Overcoming Stage Fright, what I did. Overcoming stage fright, the things I did. This is basically about me and the things I did to overcome stage fright. It might not apply to others, but I'm talking about me, myself, and the things I did, how I was able to navigate overcoming stage fright. It has not been easy. People close to me can testify to the fact that I'm a very shy person. People close to me can actually testify. But when it comes to my crafts, I go all out. I put aside my shyness. I put aside the fact that I have people that I'm actually shy to do stuffs in their presence and just go about my business and do it professionally, at least to the best of my knowledge. I don't know, this just struck my mind to share with people. I see a lot of people that want to do stuffs, but probably because they are shy, maybe because they are shy to face a lot of crowd, and they have just been in their shell. They couldn't really come out to do those things, and I just felt, okay, let me just put this video out there to tell them what I did, if eventually it's going to be applicable to them as well. Now let's go straight into the video without talking much, because like the talk is becoming too long. The first thing I did is to prepare my mind that this event is like a do or die affair. Nobody's going to die in Jesus' name. But I just prepare my mind that it's either I do this thing or I do it. It's either I do it or I do it. There's no missing words. There's no going back. There's no two-way about it. I just have to do it. I prepare my mind, especially when I want to go out to sing. I used to tell people that my shyness starts from the journey I make from my seat. Immediately they mention my name. Now let us call Olumayowa Olóhùnyọ̀ to the stage, especially when it has to do with a lot of people going up on stage. My shyness starts from my seat to the stage. Once I get to the stage, I forget about I do my thing, like my life depends on it, like it's a do or die thing. Then once I drop the mic again, my shyness starts. When you come to talk to me and you see that I will not even be able to look at you straight in the eyes. That is me for you. So I prepare my mind that this event is like a do or die affair. I just have to do it. It's either I do it or I do it. I just have to do it. Another thing I used to do is that I close my inner eyes on the fact that I am a shy person. I shut my eyes on the fact that I'm a shy person. I close my inner eyes on the fact that I have people that have not seen me do this kind of thing I wanted to do, or probably I have people that I'm always shy to look at. I forget them. That moment, I just forget the fact that they are there. That moment, I forget the fact that people are around me, that I am shy to do stuffs in their presence. I just want to do my thing at that moment. I want you to also put that at the back of your mind, that you don't have a choice, you have to do it. Then you don't need to hear or look at whatever people say, or at that point people's reaction is not really it for you, because you are just starting. Once you become a pro, then you start looking at people's reaction. I'm still coming there, maybe in this video, in the next one, I don't know. But just make sure that thing you want to do is the first thing on your mind, the priority. People around you doesn't really matter, because that is one way that I overcame my own shyness, especially on stage, and one way I overcame my stage fright. Now I close my inner eye on the fact that I'm a shy person, or people are watching me. I just want to do it. I forget that I have people that will criticize me, or people. I just do my thing. I just want to do my thing and leave. And with that, I was able to overcome my shyness, at least to a very good extent. Then another thing I usually do is to watch videos of people who does the same craft as I do. I watch their videos, and there are some I try as much as possible to pay attention to details. There are some certain things I used to watch out for in their videos. The first thing is their courage, their charisma, the way they carried the audience along, just a little bit of it. In that your shyness, so you just try as much as possible to try to carry the audience along, just like I'm sitting in front of my camera now talking to myself. I just imagine, you understand? I try as much as possible to watch their videos. I pay attention to details, their charisma, their courage, the way they communicated with the audience. How did they do it? What's the magic behind the stunts they pulled on stage? I pay attention to those details, and I try as much as possible to imitate it during my rehearsal time. That's what brings me to the next point. Rehearse. Those videos that you have watched, every of those details that you have paid attention to, try to do it in your rehearsal. Sit in front of your phone camera. Rehearse. Do as if you are communicating with people in your phone camera. Talk to your phone, do stuffs. Record it and watch yourself while you do it. Compare it to the one that you have watched. I told you that you can as well watch other people that does the same craft as you do. Now, compare it. See the difference. Look at how they were able to do it. Put all those details at heart, and don't forget it whenever you find yourself on stage. Another thing I used to do is that I'd make sure not to pass my boundary or venture into what I don't know. Once I'm on stage, you see that thing that I have rehearsed is the first thing on my mind. You're still trying to become a pro. You're still trying to overcome shyness. I'm able to overcome shyness to some extent. Now I'm talking to people that cannot even know, that have not even started, that have not even made the move at all. Or you have made the move, you are still in level 20, level 30, level 40. I'm not talking about those that are above average. And if you find it useful, you can as well make use of it. You have already rehearsed. That thing that you have rehearsed, please make sure you don't pass your boundary. Make sure whatever stunt you want to pull revolves around the things that you have rehearsed. Because if you say you want to, because you saw audience cheering you up, you want to go and pass your boundary, you want to overdo yourself, I don't know, you might get away with it and you might not. Please, make sure you don't pass your boundary. Make sure you don't venture into what you don't know. Make sure you don't overdo stuffs, especially when you are a shy person or when you are trying to overcome stage fright. Yeah, I talked about personal rehearsals. Please do your rehearsal. Don't depend on yourself alone. Lastly, pray to God to help you all through. After everything, I lay every of the performance, my rehearsals, whatever I'm going on stage to do, I put them down at the feet of God. I pray to Him just to help me, I pray to God to help me all through the performance, to help me all through whatever I want to present. Prayer is very, very important. For Christians, for Muslims, for whatever religion you are doing, prayer is very, very key. Prayer is very important. Make sure you don't joke with it. Those are the things that I did to overcome stage fright. I know that my people, my fans have a lot of other points to add to whatever I have done that they have as well done that helped them overcome stage fright. Kindly add yours in the comment section, what you did to overcome stage fright. Till I come your way next time, I remain Olumayowa Olowinyo. Bye.